Hi everyone! So welcome back to Kim's Vlog! So for today's video, we will be doing a mini get to know me vlog. So, first things first, kumuha lang ako ng mga questions from Google so that you get to know me. And let's start! So, question number 1. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are singing, dancing, and yun. So, ayan. Next question natin is, do you collect anything? Do you collect? So far, wala naman akong kinukollect, guys, na something na mga kinukulik na mga bagay. Wala naman. Next question, what are you passionate about? Siguro, I am passionate on things na parang gusto kong ginagawa or passionate ako doon sa bagay na yun, na kung ano man yung gusto ko. So, ayun. What is the greatest accomplishment of your life? I think the greatest accomplishment of my life is yung siguro maging successful in the future and yun, makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Opo. Next, what's on your bucket list? Ang nasa bucket list ko is, to just explore the world and do things na alam kong pag ginawa ko siya is parang naano na din yung bucket list ko. And then next, what is your favorite holiday? For me, the best holiday is Christmas or season kasi yun yung pinaka best season na sineselebrate nating lahat ng mga Pilipino. So, ayun. Who knows you best? I think who knows me best is my mom, of course. Kasi syempre, for 22 years, she was the one who bring me into this world. Okay, next. What skill would you most like to learn? What skill? Siguro yung more communication, more in communication. Ganun. What makes you unique? Siguro I'm jolly. Yun. I'm the jolly type of person that you could talk to, you could someone talk to or be with. So ayun. Who is your hero? I think my hero would be my dad kasi sobrang hero ko talaga siya. I can say to that. Who is the smartest person you've ever met? Of course, my parents. Sobrang nila, as in sobrang smartest nila sa lahat ng bagay. Okay. What is one thing that instantly makes your day better? One thing. Phone. That makes your day better. Hindi naman. Basta may maayos lang na tulog and yun, may maayos na sleep. When did you first feel like an adult? Yung nagsisimula na yung after teenage days, dun ko pa lang mas na yung pagiging adult when I was 18 years of my age. since I am 22 now, so adulthood na talaga siya. Ayan. What is the most important decision you have ever made so far? I think the most important decision is yung college life for me. Kasi mas dun ko na-realize lahat yung path na kukunin ko or yung path na itetake ko, since college is a roller coaster ride of journey. So siguro yon, and taking up BS Psychology as a program. So ayun. What is something that always makes you smile? I think now SB19, and pero something that always makes me smile is siguro yung mga nakakatawang videos or something na pag may napanood ako, ganun. And I also see that my parents are smiling. Yun. What are you most thankful for? I think I am thankful for living every day and thanking God that every day I am still awake, even though there are still challenges, that I get to encounter in my life every day. So I think that's it. So let's look for more questions. Okay, sige, ito. What is your go-to karaoke song? Okay, my go-to karaoke song is Dancing Queen. Kasi, yun siguro yung pinaka, alam ko yung tono. Or, I can say, yung yung pinaka-song niya, it's really something that I like to sing in a karaoke. So, ayun. So, okay, next questions, guys, will be, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink, red, and yun. Pink and red. So, ayun. What is your favorite animal? So, my favorite animal is dog. Why? Kasi, diba, usually, ang dogs is our man's best friend. So, yun siya. Next. Do you have brothers or sisters? No, I don't have. I am an only child. Next. How old are you? I am 22 po. 22 years old. Next. When is your birthday? My birthday is September 25, 2002. What is your favorite food? Oh my God, sobrang daming favorite food. Pero siguro ang go-to food ko talaga is carbonara. Ayun. Who is your favorite Disney character? Ang favorite Disney character ko, I think si Snow White ba yun? Hindi ako sure kung basta Disney princess, Snow White or Cinderella, yun. What is the bravest thing you've ever did? I think the bravest thing that I ever did is yung maging strong ka on things na alam mong hindi mo kaya, but you're still the strong person that you are. Kasi nagiging strong ka along the way. Ayun. What is your favorite way to spend an afternoon? Sa ngayon kasi sa generation ngayon, I think mag-TikTok or dumaan sa mga feed ng mga TikTok, manood ng videos, ganun. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is volleyball talaga. Since I was 15 years old, so talagang volleyball na yung nilalaro ko. And then, pero may mga sports pa naman ako. Usually, badminton, swimming, yun. Pero ang pinaka-favorite talaga, guys, is volleyball. So, ayun. What is your favorite thing to do with your parents? Diyos ko po, sobrang dami. Siguro mag-mall. Yun ang pinaka best na lagi namin ginagawa. So, ayun. So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope you get to know me better. Thank you. Bye!